Hey, just get one. You blow your nose. Blow your nose. No, no, no. Pull it. No, no. There you go. No more. No. Close it up. Use the ones you pulled out. There you go. Blow your nose. You've been sneezing? Thank you. Thank you.
Now? Now. See me? Sit. Heard your kid joined the Erasers. Yes. Yes, he did. Did good? Hope he's good. That's a confidential list. First round of layoffs. Of course, my aunt and my father said that's not enough. But these are all good, hard-working people.
No more.
Let go.
No more.
Not one.
Use the ones you have.
Carrot.
Yeah. You gonna finish eating? Hey, that's Daddy's. Don't. Cash. Don't touch it. No more. Daddy's. Yeah, wipe your nose. You do it.